Hello again. Here we are. This time we have negative and zero exponents. So what does all of this mean? That's too much stuff. I don't know what any of this. They don't mean anything to me. I'm just going to go away and never mind. Just kidding. Okay. So from the previous video where we recorded and we talked about exponent rules, one of them was when we had the negative exponents. So negative exponents mean reciprocals. So when you have a negative on the exponent, all that means you make that a fraction and the exponent goes in the denominator, but as a positive, just like this cute little example right here. Okay, so it goes upside down kind of thing. What does that mean? That's exactly what it means. So from the negative, it goes in the denominator and that becomes positive. Now, if I have already a fraction and I have the negative exponent, then woo, it goes into the numerator. Okay? So it goes from the numerator to the denominator, changes the sign. Doesn't change the sign, I didn't say it right. The exponent becomes positive because the negative means reciprocal. So negative exponent means reciprocal. Run out of room. Reciprocal right there. Okay, you know. All right, so here we have a couple examples. We have 3 to the 4th power. What does that mean? Well, I know negative exponent means reciprocal, so I'm gonna deal with that. So 1 over 3 to the 4th power, because from here, it goes there, it loses the negative, because I dealt with the negative. Right, from the other videos, I know that 3 is going to repeat itself 4 times. So I have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, all that. Okay? And I also know 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9, 81. If you don't believe me, that's fine. Put it in the calculator. How do you do that? Well, then, we have 3 raised to the power of negative 4. Hey, we have something different there. Nah, just kidding. If you go math is this cute button right there, right under alpha. Math, the first one will change that into fraction. Fraction, enter. Okay? Ta-da! Magic. Okay, so negative exponent means reciprocal, so 1 over 4, and then it loses the negative. So 4 to the 1st power, just 4. Okay? Again, if you're not sure, plug it in. 4 to the power of negative 1. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But now you already know. Go. Math, fraction, enter. 1 over 4. Okay. Now I have a fraction with a negative exponent. So negative exponent means reciprocal. So I will rewrite this upside down like that, and then it loses the negative. So to the 3rd power. Now I know the 3rd power means 10 over 1 times 10 over 1 times 10 over 1. But you also know, because you're smart, every whole number is also over 1. So I can just simplify that. So this over 1 can just go bye-bye. So I just have 10 times 10 times 10, and that will give me 1, 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. So that is 1,000. Again, if you don't believe me, I will put this, make sure you use parentheses, so 1 over 10, and then raised to the negative power of 3. Ta-da! Okay, another one. So negative exponent means reciprocal, so 2 over 1. And then I will do with that negative, that becomes a 4, because the negative, reciprocal, and that 4 right there. So that means 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 4, ta-da, 16. You didn't know that? What? Just kidding. You did. You're just kidding. So 1 over 2 raised 1 over 2 to the power of -4. Voila. Okay, 16. 16. And the last one is just there for fun, because at this point you already know that the power of 0, yep, everything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Goodbye.